80 million men and women in the US suffer from hair loss or thinning. For men and women alike, the loss of hair can be devastating. For anyone in the early stages of hair loss, there is a non-surgical solution that can slow or halt the loss of hair without surgery. At Greenwich Medical Spa, we've developed our exclusive non-surgical hair restoration treatment called the Activator. The Activator helps add volume and thickness back to your hair. It is a combination of in-office treatments coupled with prescription-strength home care products. Our in-office Activator treatment is a series of PRFM injections into your scalp where the hair loss has occurred. PRFM, also known as Platelet-Rich Fibrin Matrix, are growth factors and proteins that are derived from your own blood, which help stimulate your dormant hair follicles to regrow. Our Activator therapy continues at home through the use of our laser hair growth cap coupled with Nutrafol supplements and prescription-strength topical hair products. We have found this combination treatment protocol yields better results than just in-office treatment alone. The Activator is performed in a series of 3 visits spaced 6 weeks apart, and patients can start seeing results as early as 6 to 8 weeks. At Greenwich Medical Spa, we use the Activator hair restorations treatment to help many men and women achieve thicker and denser hair non-surgically.